Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make a login page in Elementor. To begin, ensure you have the Elementor Pro plugin installed and activated on your WordPress site. Next, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and create a brand new page specifically for your login form. For a clean, distraction-free layout, select the Elementor Canvas template. This provides a blank slate, giving you full control over your design. Now, let's dive into designing your form. From the Elementor widget panel, simply drag and drop the login widget onto your page. You can then easily adjust the form fields, labels, and placeholder text to perfectly align with your brand's aesthetic. Elementor's intuitive style options allow you to customize colors, typography, and even the button's appearance, giving you complete creative freedom. To enhance user experience, configure redirection settings for both successful logins and failed attempts. This guides users smoothly through the process. Also, consider adding a convenient Remember Me checkbox and a Lost Your Password link, which are essential for user convenience. For those seeking even more unique designs, Elementor allows you to incorporate custom CSS for advanced styling adjustments. Finally, it's time to publish your masterpiece. Set your newly created Elementor login page as the default WordPress login page to ensure all users see it. Crucially, test the login functionality thoroughly with different user roles and credentials to catch any issues. Always ensure your login page is fully responsive across various devices, from desktops to mobile phones, for an optimal user experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.